Hi everyone and welcome back to another one of my videos. I've already shared an unboxing of my Dior beauty items that I got, so I thought I would just show you a little bit more about what I actually got with my order. So it came with this really pretty pink ribbon, which I really love, and this beautiful packaging. It's so pretty. I haven't actually opened any of the items yet, so I'll be showing you what it came with right now. So it came with a little message here. And I decided to write on here, if you adore her, Dior her. I do want to put that on my shelf. So that's why I ordered that with it. And then this is what came with it. So I actually ordered everything because I did want the free makeup pouch so that I can use this for my Louis Vuitton bum bag. And this is what it looks like inside. I was worried that it would be a bit of a funny color, but it's not. It's a lovely pink and I love pink. So this is to fluff it out inside, and this is what it looks like. So it's very roomy, loads of room. You can fit loads of makeup in there and it's perfect. It fits in my bum bag, so that's really good. So that's what it looks like. So I'll show you what I actually bought and then I'll show you the free samples after. So I decided to get the Dior Addict Lip Maximizer. So I did want to give this a try. So let's open it up. Okay, so this is what it looks like, really pretty. So this is to plump your lips. There we go. I haven't tried the color yet, so once I start trying the color, I'll also do another video on that, but that's what it looks like. So that's lovely. Actually, let me just give it a little open. So this is the first time I'm opening it. Okay, so the color looks really good. Let's pop that back in nice and neat. So I didn't realize that the Dior lip oils were really popular because I probably would have got that as well. But it's fine. I'll just add that to another order and help me collect points. So then I got the Diorshow Onstage Liner. So I'm a big fan of black eyeliners. So I got this one. So let's see. So this is what it looks like. It's not really focusing. Here we go. There we go. I got it in matte black. It looks really good. It looks really good. It's the perfect shaped tip to help you apply your eyeliner. So that's good. So that's one. And then I got the Pump N Volume HD mascara. I'm also a big fan of mascara. I want it to look as though I've had my lashes done all the time. So I thought, let me give it a try. And this is what it looks like. So I'm not going to open this up yet just because I want it to last for as long as possible. I'm currently using Huda Beauty product at the moment and it's still got plenty inside. So I like to only open them just before I use them to make them last for a really long time. And then I got the Dior Addict Lip Glow. So this is what it looks like. Let's open this one. So as you can see, there we go. So I got that one in pink. Right, so these are the free samples that I received. So I've actually got a free sample that is missing. It was missing. I contacted Dior. I couldn't get through by telephone. So I contacted them on the live chat and they told me that probably subject to availability. So they probably didn't have it in stock and they just sent what they did have. So this is what I got for my free sample. So this is a super potent serum. Here we go. It comes like this. So that's the first one. Perfume sample here. The this little perfume gift box. So it comes in this really cute box and it's in a really cute, oh, let's try and get it out. So that's what it looks like. Really cute bottle. And it comes with moisturizing body milk. There we go. And this really cute little bag. And then of course this was the gift. So these two were the gifts and these were the free samples. with that one. And I was also meant to be getting the free sample foundation, but that is the one that was out of stock. So how to get these, all I did is I joined the Dior Loyalty Program, and then when I spent over £100, so that allowed me to get these two, and then everything else, then there should have been 3 free samples, but I only got 2, which is fine. They did give me a coupon code to add to my next order for some more free perfumes. So I'm not really a perfume fan anyway, which is hence why I picked the serum, but it's worth a try. Maybe this will turn me into a big perfume fan. But that's basically everything that I ordered. So thank you so much for watching.